welcome to ClausenWorld. This morning I'm out here about ready to harvest my first Chicago hardy fig. I noticed yesterday that I had one that was ready. So here I am giving you guys a glimpse of this beauty. It was a tiny little stick when I first bought it, and it has blossomed into quite a little beauty. Can y'all see that? I have never harvested a fig before. I've never eaten a fig, never owned a fig. I'm excited over this Chicago hardy fig. Let me let y'all take it in. Don't mind these leaves. They're looking a little bit worse for the wear. That is not why we're here. I need y'all to see. Look, here's a second one. It's not ready yet. In a couple more days, it will be ready. Ooh, I'm so excited, y'all. Y'all just don't know. I'm doing my happy dance. I cannot wait to taste this fig. Let me get myself out the way. There we go. Can y'all see that? Look at that beauty. Ooh, I did that. Can you guys see how pretty that fig is? Wow. I'm just blown away. This is my first time ever growing figs, my first time ever tasting a fig, and I am completely blown away. I had to let you see this little tree one more time. I'm just enamored by it. I'm speechless. I'm head over heels for this little bitty fig tree. The Chicago hardy is all that and some. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope to see you in the next episode. Bye for now.